How to win a trade in 3 steps. Three steps is all you need. Practice these 3 steps and I promise you, you will become a more consistent winner. I'm in a tournament on my real account and I'm quickly going to show you my trading history. As you can see, this all happened on the 2nd of August 2019, trading around about 10 o'clock in South Africa. It is right now. That's 5 straight trades. Let's see if we can make it number 6. I normally advise people not to put their whole account into a single trade, so I'm just going to put in a third. Okay, let's get into the trade. I'm going to choose a put option. A put option is when price is going down, and a call option is when price is going up. Remember, in binary options trading, if you win, you gain a profit, and if you lose your whole investment. See that red dot? That's the start of the trade. The flashing green dot is price, and you will find that at the top of bull candles and at the bottom of bear candles. The red horizontal line above it is the level at which we predict price will not rise above. The vertical red line is where the trade will end, and the dotted white line is where the timer begins. You have the option of exiting the trade before the timer runs out. The key to trading is practice, practice, practice. You can watch these videos all you like, but if you don't practice, I promise you, you're not going to make it. Also, if you don't study the basics of trading, you will not understand what I'm talking about or be able to follow. That's why it's important to get into the trading masterclass, guys, and follow our channel. Well, the masterclass is really for people who take their trading seriously. Feel free to leave a comment below if there's anything else that you would like me to cover or discuss. Also, be careful of guys that claim they can trade on your behalf. They call themselves account managers. I would advise you to rather learn trading on your own. This is really easy to pick up and anybody can really do this. Don't give away your money to anybody unless they are registered with the Financial Services Board. And one more thing, trading really is a risky thing to get into. So rather do your research, rather take your time to study, rather stay in your practice account until you learn and you're comfortable enough to go onto your real account. And by the way, that button over there lets you get out of the trade if you feel like it's heading in the wrong direction. And here we go, 20 seconds left, so 25 seconds left. Let's see if we're gonna get this one. Well, I think we've got, yeah, that's 5 straight trades, and I think we've got momentum going in the right direction. We headed down, and in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boom, there you go. That's trade number 6. Let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 7. I can't really tell. Okay, that's from 24 past 10 till 19 minutes to 11 o'clock. 17 minutes. Okay, let's have a quick breakdown of that trade. You're looking for 3 things. That's the trend, the retracement, the support or resistance. So in this case, you will see trend heading down, you will see a retracement in the opposite direction, and then you will see resistance pushing price back down, and that's how you win the trade. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button if you like what I shared with you today, or hit dislike if it wasn't your thing. Also remember to hit subscribe and the bell to know when a new video has been uploaded.